So let's take a look at the weather. It's been real hot, so we have Rachael to share a little bit about how it's going to be looking over the next few days.
Hot. I'm done. Can I clock out now? Just kidding. Yes, we do have more warm weather on the way. But for today, here are the exact numbers. I was kind of estimating a little bit earlier just how warm it got. I said 95, got to 96 in Norfolk. Our average high 87 degrees, nearly 10 degrees above normal for today. Low temperatures near normal, record high 100 degrees. So we were 4 degrees off from that. No precip in Norfolk, and most areas stayed dry for today. Very few showers popping up across the area. Currently, those temperatures still in the mid 80s, everybody. It's 11:15 at night. It's still very warm out there. We have those winds coming out of the south, as you can see, bringing in that milder air from down south, keeping us in the 70s and 80s. 81 in Wakefield, 80 in Suffolk, 79 in Gatesville, and 82 in Duck, and also in Virginia Beach. Those dew points are in the 70s right now for parts of the area, which means it's very sticky, very muggy as you're heading out the door. That's why on our Virginia Beach cameras, still a lot of people there out on the ocean front. Skyview in Hampton, however, mostly quiet night out there. Very few clouds out there. As you're seeing satellite and radar, this loop showing the few showers that push through Hampton Roads. You see most of South Side, the Peninsula, Eastern Shore. There are a few showers and storms onto the Maryland Eastern Shore and maybe up towards Wallops Island, extreme northern Virginia on the Eastern Shore. But other than that, dry across our entire area. Watching the tropics, another named system possible in the Eastern Pacific. That's this red area, has a 90% chance of developing within the next 2 days. And if it does, it would take the name Barbara. Then we're going to be watching this area in the yellow. In the next 5 days, has a 30% chance of developing. Tonight back here at home, mid 70s. A few isolated storms still possible. Otherwise warm, muggy with those winds out of the southwest. Tomorrow, another hot one. More mid 90s on the way. Afternoon storms expected. Winds coming out of the northwest at some point during the day. So that will bring in some cooler air. By 6 a.m., low to mid 70s. Middle of the day, already 90 degrees, already above our average highs for this time of the year. We see those showers and storms moving through from north to south. That's going to be with a cold front that sags down to the south, bringing us showers and storms across the area. That will also cool us down. You're seeing where those showers are still in the 90s, and then we're into the 80s where that rain has pushed through. Most of that will be gone by our 11 p.m. newscast tomorrow, but we still could have a lingering shower heading into your Monday morning. And by the time you start the day on Monday, we'll be into the 60s, which will actually be the coolest we've been in a couple of days. I know 60 is really not that cool, but we still have that humidity to deal with for tomorrow. Drops down during the day on Monday. That's our relief day. Still going to be maybe slightly humid, but not as much as when we get into Thursday. Independence Day looks like it could be the most humid day of the next 7. We'll definitely keep an eye on that as we have that humidity. That means we could see some storms as well on Independence Day. But also Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday all have chances for storms. Not all day, every day, but any chance for storms, especially when we have that humidity in place, we will have to keep an eye on it.
And everyone stay hydrated, that's for sure. Thank you so much, Rachael.